Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. You don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Okay. So I can't tell them everything. So wait they do me. And because each time he beat me, if they come, you could tell me say make I not talk anything. Make I tell them say nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. If they still come, me go beat mommy. I they tell you when I say beat them, you know one user I see me. So now I can't leave her since 3 days now. I can't deal with my own things. You understand? So what if they come, they tell me now, Today now they come from this afternoon. They say make I tell mommy.
At the list.
Yes. So they can say, say we now we never get document now. So we be they prepare we also go on the 9 now, maybe on Thursday, we want to go questora again for the document. So what they come the day now, they were social come my side today where they put me first. They never separate us totally. They come tell me say what is in my mind. So whether I will sit there with the man now or I will still continue. I want them on my own because
the man is from where?
Now Yoruba.
You are from where?
Me, I'm from Asian.
You are from Asian. Where in Asian?
Ekoma.
How many children you get for her?
I get 3 children, mommy.
You don't pay your bride price?
No, you never pay.
Nice.
Mommy, if they tell me say no, we're not waiting. If they tell me many things, say make I not pull up, say make I not they, marry me or lie. I can say okay. Everything what they do for Nigeria, after now what you want it? It's say lie. Say what they do? If they do it for your children, not be me or me. I know they didn't do it for your family and it the family for us. And the worst part, if I say I will tell her say, but say ever since now me they support you, and they tell people how money they come, then and they will say now they work and they
how much you they give her every month?
Mommy, I know they give her money, but now money when they now we on that government now, so they give us money for children. But let them know say mommy, every time mommy say see how you see where
money where government give you now. What man take care of children? Now not they build that for Yoruba land.
Mommy. Now, even let me, don't buy 2 land. You don't tell me, even, if I say half since 2 years, now 2 years plus, now you don't buy the land, Up now you don't start it, I say, okay, what of the land when you buy? Sometimes it will say you, they mad, I know you, why they tell, now it's my mommy. Now you know how they take suffer about me. They build that for my parents, so. It would be, I will say, what I can't do for your life since how many years? I will, even want let me talk at all. I can say, okay, the land, you don't use lawyer Tesana. It's what it concern me, because I'm saying that they use lawyer Tesana. I say yes, now no matter now, you must be lawyer must be away now. Mommy, everything. Okay. Many things. They account when you send money, give now my mama let me open the account. Now I can't the business. Even the land when he best now the parents now the name when he write for the land step mommy. They say now just their name, family name. You not even can't me join me and my children. We they suffer for your mommy. We they suffer mommy. Clothes I don't get. Even me and my children, we they suffer too much mommy. But I don't know. I just need harvest. Not only harvest, I just need from you. Because these people come my side this afternoon now. They come, but they still live for the house when they give us now. Now, 2 room pilot they give us. But because they say no single house for this city for boys. So now only they can't put me for somewhere first. They can't say make I decide. Nothing tomorrow morning they will come back. Say if I say no, I don't want the money again because they beat me so much. And even this social fair, they don't tire. Even people wait there here, they don't tire for her. They come say if I say no, so if we go commission, this is the last time they give us now, this on Thursday. If we go this last time, if they give us negative, but for them, they will go put me for another place, remove me for that. Me and the children, they will take care of us. But him, they not go fight for your own again. Say they will deport and go Nigeria. So as they just tell me only that word today now, I just they think double things. They say make I give them answer. I can't say okay, I go think nothing tomorrow. So I they think now, mommy, I don't know what I want to do. I they confused. I don't know.
You see what they talk where come on no ma fien nigga marry over here worry.
Mommy, I don't know. Now every your preaching now me they say I they cry for your preaching. I they cry day and night. Now me I they hear Bini well. I they hear I they speak but not they to speak. I they hear everything.
Now how old are you? How old are you?
Me now I be 31 years now.
Your husband how old he be?
Now 34.
Hey Joe, no my amugojo no na gbo ogbo me Joe.
Mommy, you know the worst part. All your family now, all of them, he call him mommy say, me mama block me for food. He say, mommy, even the last month, now when he beat me, they beat me. The next thing, he call my brother, and the worst part, I never tell my family what they go on, the way they beat me. Even the land when we buy, shame not let me tell them. Say, see what they go on for. But you know, carry if call people say, even how they tell mama say, I better me talk to her. He go say, mommy, leave her. Now which now you mommy not talk for this matter, or you know me. If you talk, I know you know. We'll see my colleague, you know. Even a senior brother, I can't call my senior brother. I can't say uncle. I beg now. See what if your brother they do. Let me talk to her now. The next thing, they just come collect the phone from my hand. He say uncle. I beg no ever pick a colleague, you know. No call and block her. Truth since last month till now. This senior brother never call me, but this senior brother say okay, yeah, well, I'll call you back. Now hold on, I there for church. But he tell me saying there for sure. At the same time, he just call his brother for my president. Two of them talk for almost 1 hour. And the same thing, after that one, with mommy discuss for almost 1 hour. Now me, be like that they send me for inside. Now me come be deep because mommy, you see in mama, I see her like my mother. Could you believe that? The simple way I not fit tell my mother, I dey tell her everything. I don't see her like my mama, like my everything. But I never know say that they use my head ever since. You understand? Me, I no girlfriend though. Me, I no girlfriend. I never friend for Nigeria right from time before I come out for Nigeria. They hear me, mommy. So that's now it pay me so I don't get to invest me. I don't get anybody. I don't get anybody, mommy. Not sure they tell you.
Who carry you come abroad?
Now one of my friends that time.
Where your friend now?
No, he not come abroad. Now one of my friends introduced me to the woman where he carry me come that time. Not be abroad, now Africa. Now Africa, inside Africa, all these French country that time.
You pay your mother?
Yeah, since now, you know, say that see for the pay since. So now from there I come strong, go come out for there. When I pay, I be so people don't go back to Nigeria at that time. I say no, I want to try my best, make I move forward. Now so I take go up. Now that's Africa for me too.
I want to ask you one question. Yes. Just free your mind to reply me. Do you still love him, man? You still love her?
Mommy, let me tell you something. But you know, say me several times I they call and they ask and say, what did they happen? I will call and say, I bet no matter anything, make we be like. And the worst part, I know be anything way they happen. You go they call your mommy, they tell her.
No, be that what I ask you. I ask you a question, yes or no? Do you still love him? Yes or no?
Mommy, the only problem where I deal with her say, I don't want the waka, I don't want the boom for, I don't want to leave this one, go stay with another man. I only that one. That is why, mommy. I don't want my children come get step
but you still love her. Answer me. You still love her as everything be so. You still love her, yes or no?
Mommy, my mama be not there, because person where they there for where they fight for, you know they fight for me. Now me they help and they give and work connection for work. Now me they help and they fight for documents, for everything at all. Now me they, but it not even value me, mommy. Not only that it make me there with her when I just tell you so. I don't want the work and only that one.
Now when you start to they beat you, now when you don't finish your 3 children, be now when you buy one, now when you born one.
No, mommy.
When you start to
yeah,
they beat you.
you know, now since 3 years now you start to this beat now 3 years now you start to as they beat me will put them for call. Now truth at the time, mommy, believe me.
Your last born, how old?
My baby, he just complete 10 months now.
So you don't they beat you before you born, no that one give her.
Yes, so after I don't born one, after I don't, and when I get belly for the second belly, now it start to they beat me for my second baby.
Your second baby now start to they beat you. Don't go that marriage again.
Yes.
If you like, make mama not call you. They not even put money for your head. Not go again.
Okay.
And not go again. Okay, you are young.
Even since day before yesterday, now when I even leave her, you not even care for the children. When you go say I want come my children, I want hear for my children. No, like you not even come and say I'm my children now. Okay, give this one for my daughter. Nothing like that. Though. You not even get any feeling at all, mommy. Anything. If for my baby get them, my first daughter. If I use my baby phone, you go come collect her from my hand. If I you say, okay, let me, I want to take my baby charger, take charge my phone. No problem. You go come collect and you come they turn the children back against me.
Now come off for where they put you now. Tell government, say make it do on you, make it do on your own. Okay? If you pity and also you go kill you through away. Almost 2 people that don't kill Jamie this year. My way they beat you, man, kill go kill you. You go just die. Your children go there with government. Your eye go make clear.
He don't talk everything. He said prison not be problem. He go fit go prison. That one, he go come back. Come they take care of his children.
Man, wait, the open man say he go kill you, go prison. You not gonna say na Christmas be.
Day before yesterday, now God save me. I come they shout God. Now He save me. He said now under a second now because we dey European. Now He make am. If I dey under a second, for just keep it do like be like lion for me. You know when lion they do like when I don't know how to talk. When person they will tiger for us now. Now so they do me. If he come out, I see I say they come back for us. When they come back, now my heart go they beat. If I just say it knock for door, it don't enter us. Even the children know they play where everywhere would they quiet, they would they silent. If I ask my baby, say, I beg me to breathe that, the baby will say, no, I'm afraid. I cannot go. I'm scared. Because the father is there.
I say,
Mommy, say
no go again. Save your life. Not the talk like say you did 18 years. No go again. If you say more than that, to tell us, say, may go pay your bride price.
Okay, Mom.
I'll make it sign for police station. The day where you go touch you again, may the deport her. Without that, no agree. Tell her say you don't talk to Mommy Yore. Mommy Yore say no. You not go again.
Okay, Mommy. And again, what did they come they talk now? They come say if it happen, say if they say make her tomorrow now I go sign. Say whether I will still go back or not. They say if I said no, they will give us another apartment, me and the children. They will
say
put
no.
her for somewhere.
That one not concern how they want to do and save your life and your children. Okay?
Okay.
That day, Ghana man kill one
Mommy.
Nigeria person. That day, Igbo kill one Nigeria. That day, one Benin man kill his wife. Save your life. Tell them tomorrow, say no. You don't want to stay with them again.
Okay, Mommy.
So that the
Okay,
money where they
Mommy,
pay
God
the
bless.
children go to enter your hand. Not follow
Okay.
abuse us again because you never pay money. You never put money for your head.
Mommy,
Why you go
I
like
don't
that?
leave her several times. I don't separate her several times, so you understand? Even when now you come beg me, so maybe we come back. You say make I
No,
go
this
tell
one
social
not
say-
agree again. Your children don't complete. That's so that they born and rich.
Okay.
No agree again. Still on your own.
Okay,
Okay?
okay,
Stay on
Mommy,
your own. They
yes.
follow me. If you need a man, a full live video here. Not go
Mommy,
again.
I dey follow you since 1 year now. Inside last year, now one of my auntie give me your this thing, your the name Sota ministry. Say make I add you for this thing, make I dey follow you, they pray. Because of this problem, because of this, to know say the problem don't too hot. Before I come lost my phone since that time. No be today it starts. Everybody don't talk to her. The more they talk to her, the more you go they laugh me say I don't they tell people, make people come they help me they beg her now. I go they tell people make they come they help me they beg her. You say you go they tell her say I don't want them again. Tell her make it go. Mona tell her make it go. I don't want them again. I don't want them again. Now so it talk. You know they heard them. The worst I know they heard them. If me to pass for that our street now.
Okay, now I want
All
to ask
the
you
black
question now. Listen. If he can't ask you tomorrow, now he can't lead down, beg you, say, may you come back. Will you go back? You go come they cry, lead down.
Mommy, it don't do a tire. No, you know this one. So before I born this my last baby, so I don't feel separate from her. And they can't give me ass. He can't lay down they beg. Not be say my only. In my mama will be say, you know they support me ever since. Mommy can't they call me. All of them can't they call me. They beg me. So he can't they send all these Yoruba people for our area. I can't they say take them. They can't they beg me. He can't they lay down they beg. He swear heaven and earth. He swear. I know in my present he swear Bible, he open Bible, he swear everything. If you ever touch me again, and after that one, if you ever kiss secret for me again, everything what would they do for Nigeria, he go open up to me, tell me everything. Now yo, I say come back nothing today they talk. He say, if you say I be you know no say na sense that they use for this road now. He say now because of paper, you know not because of paper just they follow you. Because if I leave you like that now and paper will work for me, now these children now they will give me paper. If they talk now, so now this children will give my paper. He say if you not feel happen like that, if they not feel give my paper, I ain't go women for outside.
May go carry
women.
May go carry not be you. Save your life, okay? After all, 3 children, they build house. Not be say not even get money to marry you, but you get money to build house.
Money there, yes, so yes, he get money even what they do for us. But you know how much. You don't know how much they say they go out. If person one married person say 1 million, say no, go reach 1 million. But what if they tell they do something for us everything? Ain't na person we really ready. If me and they tell now about marriage, it go be like say at the first time. Anything I try to sit down, that make we discuss as man to man, as husband and wife. It go say, I don't they try to they beg and say make it they like me. That's not shameful to me. What are they telling mommy? I not tell any of my family or things today. I don't know how to open mouth. Tell my family I don't know where I want for start from. Now shame I they share. I don't get friends where I want to talk to because of shame.
Me, I don't advise you as a sister, as a mother. Stay for where
yes,
they can. If they ask you, even though they said that what can I go not consign you, save your life. Okay? Na easy ga.
Okay.
Easy ga no.
Oh yes, oh yes, mommy. Yes.
Easy ga. You not consign you, save your life and your children. May your children not come suffer tomorrow.
Yes, mommy. Okay. As I don't hear from you now, I will take your advice. God bless you, mommy. Osati, well, God bless you. Well, say.
Hey.
God bless you, ma.
Now, wow. Kwa bege mi no sunu ikpia. Kwa bege go. Agboko webo. Agboko webo. Agboko. And they we made a mistake. Okpia. Mamu gojo wo wa bi omoka, wa bi kpogeva. Wa mo ebori owo we meni jore. Iwa bi ome ya no kpia na no gumero we marriage. Temata. Wa mo ebori. Even me we marriage in mo we no hold on. Yes. Iye mi no see. Mo gbe bata mo ikunu we na ka me ebe 14 ye me no. Me o we no hold on. I'm okay vanya ngwa. Oh, wow. Salobo ame no lao. Ori de no tani maya. Ori enwani ma. Umana ame nwa be a take advantage of it. The same thing. Why we to one sha? Why we to one? Or what take advantage of it? Or no mafia o. We no matter them we go jo wo hu no wa no born who we give one era we la o. We go be abo we yedo. Kosi yen we yeri e wo ni mi no mi. Dori e we o wa o ka o. Three children mamu go jo hu. We mangi e go ma mo gbe no yari we. And number 2 we tama we yeri e we. Me man gwani ko ni bu na me de mistake here. O pe na we yeri u wa wa munji. I don't know why. Why you people are like this? We are not we marry what you unjeba. Huh? We marry we. What you unjeba? Iko dike wa jona ya me nwa. Ipia wa be jona me nwa. A government ga ila relationship never yan oni ofo. Oni ofo. E wona ni maje ma yare dogwali go. E zo mare dogwalo. E mi ame mare dogwalo. E oge mare igo ma ya dogwa adogwalu mama gbima. Sister ave rich man ire wi ma ya ka ego no roto ne do. E mana adi ewere madu an rejigbima ni vi wa bia ma. Yo oji ma yare. Uga e woman love okwu oge ki oge. Adi I be tamu wa ga ma need to wa be o. Ma be understand you. O gbe wara nu tama we wi yeri ewo ogele abiele ye ba. Uge no gun banana. Ugbe mo rere na eri nu na we gbe be BF we.
So sati we mama even pan me pege go we fi say we so we no we kin ogani of your money of your big be ni ami omo I will me be o wa yan wa me video ya do bega na why ni we rusu no we protect e hiri no ma kin like be because na yema why no kin afi won ni sa e lele gi san ro a Kenya separate here, and I would take or 1 month we have Brazoni mama because who no big or even no hair, Lila was shiny here, sick no G, no use them when here because there's a penalty to ask via ye money be. Okay, I have a defaulted body and the way having money work because on money. Yes, a team went my way, maybe or bow high, she's question is the pretty and panel walker on your one or we want like any wa we no race ko yi we do wa abu yin ni papa mama wa gogo yo so no make na live life for ogbe wa edokpa wa gogo yo ti we ka ma we no do ami bi so ti do ami bi here we ti we mo ade wa ya threaten so we no na ti si age ne ga igbe o hin ati we we di ori so no wa wo ge ogele gbe wa dokpa so ti ami bi obi yo bani o wa lo tin man kaka bo wa use
no wa lo
I will need to tell mama take call
we say e we say be advice we no we ri ne ohun ya mo ejo wa tin ya threaten we o metire do ami bi e ka ma ku ka mi ya we no do ami bi be we ri kun enyu we ne o mo poge no no okay drop we wa bi o me ne ite by the grace of God who came you pia obugbe Mommy. Hello, ije no ge wa talk be we seje. Hello, God bless you.
Thank you.
Koje.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no, mom, because when I weekend, ma, oh, yeah, go about, I will be 30 years because why do you want to wine? Why do you want to wine? No. It's not good now.
I will no wrong pa boyen bet. Owo gbe me ni pa me boyen jiwo. Owo gbe me ni.
Everybody good for this bit, eh?
On my baba.
One of Manchester. The way many what power who have West Baba, who are power no and this is okay. Daosa, best lady. Quilla love any day. I go the fishy any day. Ogelo Sereni Yagaga. Ami Gweleni Yagaga. West Television. Yo bonu weriene. Well, I can't come out here. Umo segbe. Enough for nega. Any yele. We not on any yaki. Oh, we fancy where to me. Organic nation in the Yagaga. Why, Mommy, you're an Eganoga. Mommy, you're a one of Paris. Ogolo Seneganie. SNU Mayeme. West Oyemo. Salt and Water Ministry. Rita Yemi, Momenie. Iyato one. Yolo say, so what you tell them now? You don't know anything. Rita, I talk show. I say, you know, from Rita, not then my talk show, Yagala. West Baba. Oh, cocky. You can't get wet for rain. Mafia DP way, yeah. Oh, Saga, sound. Eluya, Diaman. Eluya, your boy, you're nothing. Again, the car. Madam Gladys, Amadi Constantine.
Hello, God bless you.
No,
Ise o site where.
Come me more me werie no banapa.
Junior Ajayi, a 24-year-old apprentice, said
We call it the woman.
Call your man, you know, Yakuma, your wife, and I was a marrow, and I walk your way.
They will not am aware. What am aware?
Oh, we want it on and near Baro to a bunny or okay, saying, or betting a waro to me.
Okay, we money do your hand.
Oh, we money day, Ginny, so popular, we, Mona me. Omanori 45 la oye.
Oma.
La oye.
A problem here.
Okay. Omaye.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Mama, who le lovi okan? I want to 45 years old man who say. Who be this?
Mommy, you're at talk by my man. I will allow me to be no you talk. Yeah, like one day.
Hello, brother. Me call outside. Ikwe we bo manage up Nigeria.